just in time. It's Cosmic Day, the day where everyone from all over the cosmos celebrates friendship.
Oh, it's my turn,
Emma's cousin Mia sent us presents. Orbit hasn't opened his yet. Come on.
I bet you it's a ping pong table. No, a circus monkey. A giant robot ninja. Or maybe it's the world's smallest ping pong playing ninja monkey. What is it?
Ooh, that's an ice hockey puck.
Oh, but how am I supposed to play with this? There's no ice on the rocket ship.
Orbit has a point. I don't have a place to play with my snowboard either.
Wait a minute. All of these gifts are things you play with in the snow. What a perfect way to spend Cosmic Day together.
That sounds like a mission.
It sure does. And you know what that means. It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
Oh, hello, everyone. Wait, what day is it? Did I miss Cosmic Day?
No, it's today. And we want to find a place where we can celebrate it by playing together in the snow.
Let's see where you can go. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops, nobody knows.
Ice Cream Planet? Close, but the only snow we'd find there would be in snow cones.
Magic planet. Cosmic Day is magical, but not cold enough for snow or ice.
Oh, now that looks like the place to go.
Yes, the Winter Planet. Excellent choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Stay inside the rocket. Someone else might send us more presents.
Oh, look at this.
Huh? What's so great about an old sled?
Let me show you.
Huh?
Hold on to your gears.
That's my sled!
Look how fast we're going. We're okay. Hey, where did all these snowballs come from?
Maybe it was the abominable snowman. What's abominable mean?
Abominable means very unpleasant.
Oh, no such thing as an abominable snowman.
Come on, let's play snowball tag. Everybody run!
I'm going to get you!
Catch me if you
All right, who did that? Did what, Orbit? Took my snowballs when I wasn't looking.
Wasn't us. We didn't do anything.
I guess the abominable snowman took it, right?
Huh?
Wow, he sure is one sad-looking snowman.
Orbit, you're great at art. Maybe you could help fix them up a little. He's the best snowman ever. This pond is the perfect place to play with your pups. Come on.
Orbit's on the breakaway, speeding down the ice, his antenna blowing in the wind. Hey, he's almost past the abominable snowman. He shoots.
Abominable?
That's it. Phew. Thank you.
But I am not abominable. You broke my sled, then took all of my favorite snowballs. I was just trying to get them back.
Oh, we're sorry, Mr. Snowman.
Fred. My name is Fred.
Is there some way we can make it up to you, Fred? Hey! Maybe you'd like to play hockey with us. It's an awesome game to play with friends. That was so much fun.
I'd like you to have my snowboard. I'm sorry for breaking your sled.
And you can have my abominable snowman. He'll help keep you company.
Oh, you can have my hat to help keep you warm.
And if you wouldn't mind holding on to my puck, it's my new favorite toy. But you can play with it until we come back.
Thank you all so much.
And thank you for making this the best cosmic day ever. I'd say this is a big mission accomplished. Mission control?
Hi, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, Emma's cousin Mia sent us presents for Cosmic Day. They have some holiday fun. Orbit wasn't very happy with his gift, so we tried to show him that you can still have fun without fancy presents. But things didn't start off so well, and Orbit wasn't convinced. Not until we met a lonely snowman named Fred. And even better, he helped us to remember what Cosmic Day was all about, celebrating friendship.
A happy Cosmic Day for